Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Pooja.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Good afternoon. So tell me, how's your day going on so far?
It was good, but
Hmm.
maybe I think in practice way I thought it's a little bit not going well because I'm not practicing much now.
Oh, and why is it so? What is preventing you
Little
from
bit busy,
practicing daily?
little bit busy with other home house chores and also some other works. So that's
Right. And is that your natural hair?
yes, ma'am.
Oh, it is very beautiful, very straight, and it is shining.
Ma'am, this is I'm cut this year already, like 1 month before. Otherwise, my hair's length is so long.
Oh, you had lengthy hair. Right,
Yes,
right.
and
Uh,
so my hair quality is very good, like very easily they're long.
oh, it grows very fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that is good. It's actually shining. It's visible even via our video. Hmm.
And more than my sister hair, so much silky, ma'am. My hair is little bit like less hair silky. Like I can move my hair and I can curl a little bit, but
Hmm.
her hair is so much like silky. You can't even make a choti.
Oh,
They yes.
hmm. So I think if it's too much silky, it will look very scanty. It will not look very
Yes,
thick. Your hair is looking very
yes,
thick. Hmm.
yes, ma'am.
Right. You're from which part of India? I forgot.
Kolkata.
Kolkata, right. Yeah. People from
Yes,
Kolkata also have nice black hair, like Keralites.
Ye- yes,
Right.
ma'am. I'm like non-Bengali, but Bengali people like they do so much do care of their hair,
Yes,
like
they
daily
take care
basis.
of it. Right.
Very much like on their if you are say looking for the beauty purpose also, they are so much concerned about the whole like top to bottom.
Oh, right. I think that is one similarity between these two states, West Bengal and Kerala. Our food is also similar. The texture, hair texture, curly hair, black curly hair, all these are similar.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am. Maybe
Right.
in Kerala is a greeny press and also coconut is there. So much
Yes.
the good thing.
Hmm.
That's why.
Yes. So today's topic is about advertisements. So tell me,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
did you come to know about Clapingo? Was it through an
Sorry,
advertisement? How did you come to know about
clapping.
Clapingo? Clapingo.
Actually, yes, ma'am. I watch on YouTube video and but I downloaded, but I'm not serious about that how is working. But I watched that Joe's Skills app.
Hmm.
So where that many people told saying this about app and also Alina Rais, she made lots of video and she also gave information about this. So I'm
Hmm.
looking for the improving my communication. How can I improve my communication more? So I just look the Clapingo app and many other apps. So I think that Clapingo for the much reasonable for me. So
Hmm.
I tried let's join.
Oh,
So
right, right. Yes. So you came to know about it through advertisement. So tell
yes,
me,
my
are advertisements useful?
sorry.
Are advertisements useful? Is it necessary
Yes,
for
ma'am. Yes,
advertising?
yes,
Ah,
very important because if advertisement is always you are watching, then you got to know about the product, which kind
hmm,
of this product, and
hmm.
what is the feature of the product. So all the information we are getting from the advertisement. Without advertisement, we are not able to understand that thing.
True, true. Which is the recent advertisement that you can remember? Anything funny or anything interesting?
No, ma'am. Nowadays, I'm not seen any advertisement. I only watch YouTube videos. So on YouTube, I don't able to watch any advertisements. Only I got a video like if you are saying the any like you can say English video,
Hmm,
and
hmm,
also I watched little bit. reaction video, because I have a little bit of like I am a little bit of what's a patriotic person. So when I saw the everyone saying that India is good or anything good about or bad about the India, so I'm really want to listen these things. So I watch reaction videos also. I watch one USA reaction video and also Pakistani reaction video. I also in TEDx or any English comedy series.
Oh,
I
right.
watch this, and also little bit mythology things I also watch. It's not I watch it simultaneously. I watch when I need or where I want that I have to watch. Then I search and then I watch. Suppose Ramayana or Mahabharata, 1 or 2 episode or any clip who I think that I have to watch this time. Then I watch. But my my choice is that I don't stick on one thing.
Right,
So
right.
I
You
watch
don't
each and everything.
You like to explore, isn't it? You
Yes.
don't stick on to one particular topic. That is good.
And so my personality is that I just want to know everything. So maybe I will not do that thing, but my point is I just want to that I must be know this thing. Maybe sometime I need that time I be able to do that time. So that's why anything if you want to make me teach, every time I'm ready to do. I will not say that this is not so important for me right now. I don't think this thing. Maybe any time or any situation I will need this thing. So I'm always ready to learn or know any information.
Right. And do you interact with people on a daily basis? Like a lot of people, strangers. What do you do, by the way? I think last time you told me you're an MBA graduate. I remember that.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what do you
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
Are you working?
No, ma'am. I was working, but I left because work environment is not good or little bit. I thought that salary is also not good, so I left that job.
So currently, what do you
So
do at home?
now I am not working, so I'm looking for the job.
Right. So you're preparing for your interviews?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, right, right. Okay. We'll go through the messages last. Okay, I'm just sending it to you via chat. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Right. Now, there are a lot of celebrity endorsements when it comes to advertisements, isn't it?
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
brand needs a celebrity. What are your thoughts on those aspects?
Okay. I remembering one advertisement that the Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay or one more actor, they did the advertisement and many people against them. So I also think that good because like they did the advertisement is not good. Like some maybe I don't know what is the name of the advertisement, but every people told that you are the celebrity, you are the role model, why you are doing this thing?
Which
Like
product?
because
Which was the
like
product?
something like advertisement or something like maybe is the like something is not advertisement, not good advertisement.
Maybe some liquor, maybe tobacco,
Yes,
supari.
ma'am.
It could
Yes,
be.
tobacco. Some tobacco. I don't know brand names, but
Mm,
they did. So Akshay told that I'm sorry, I don't have to do this thing. So
mm,
he told that, but other actors don't say that thing because like Ajay Devgan said that every person know the what's wrong or what's right. So if you
mm.
know, then you don't eat. This is my work, I will do. So and only the Akshay told that sorry. So I think also that must be take seriously this thing because that those are the very like important for the our like Indian. They are very big and they are the role model in for the Indian also outside of the Indian. So they have to take a responsibility on their shoulder that what have to do and what not have to do.
Right, right. You're well updated on all these things about celebrities. Ajay said this, Akshay said this. Good.
I told you, I just love to know each and everything. If anything is trending, I will
Mm.
search and know gather all the information. Also, some month before, like going around the Hindu-Muslim thing. So I just search on the all about the Muslims religious thing, that what is the parameter in their religious, the basic what is the important or what is the main thing they are included. Also, uniform civil code, what is all about. So I just go and search each and everything.
That is
I
good.
also watch the Muslims like scholars videos, like what they are saying about their religious, what is the thing. So I'm just so much try to know the new thing,
Right. So
because
I can, yes.
before
So
knowing, I am not able to the comparison, like what is the Muslim saying wrong or what is the Hindu saying wrong. So I have to know both the side. I am that person, just I want to be a neutral any condition. So that's why I just I don't say anything that you are wrong just because you are like opposite from me. I just first know what's your position or what you are saying, right or wrong. Then only I will judge you, or then only I will say anything. So that's why.
Right. It's always good to know the whole circle, isn't it? We actually
Yes,
listen to
ma'am.
only one portion and we start giving our observations or feedback.
So
Good,
I
good.
don't want to do this thing.
That is good. Right. Okay. Shall we go through some of the corrections, some sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you
Yes, ma'am.
click on the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, right. I've written only a few sentences. I think that would be enough. I am not serious about it. So you were talking about something in the past. Yes, you were talking about Clapingo and the advertisement. So initially you were not serious. So I was not. If you say I am
Yes,
not,
ma'am.
it means in the present. But you were trying to tell me past. I was not. Video. So I heard it multiple times. The sound video. Tell it.
Video.
The sound of V is video. Video. The sound of V is like a small vibration. Video. Repeat it.
Video.
Correct. Video. It should be video. Let's try another word. Tell me how to read this word. Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Very good. Vegetable. In the sentence also, you should say vegetable. Don't say
Ma'am,
vegetable.
maybe in the like flowing way, when I speak,
Yes.
I speak with the flow. That's why I speak wrong lots of things.
Pronunciation, yes. Individually, you are speaking correct. In the sentence, it's coming as little different. But I'm telling you, this is area that you can focus on. We can easily correct it.
Yes, ma'am.
I just looked the Clapingo app. I just look past. I just looked, isn't it? I just looked,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
you can say, I just went through. I just went through, or I just browsed the Clapingo app. It should be past. You got to know about the product. So you were telling me you will get to know about the product. You were telling me advertisements are important because you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
get to know. But there you used past tense. The correct
Yes,
is
ma'am.
future tense. Right. Next one. I have a little bit patriotic person. I have a little bit patriotic person. No, I am a patriotic person. I am a patriotic person. So see, all these are small careless mistakes. You're in a hurry with the sentences. So much of energy. Right? Even last time I remember, you're a person bursting with energy. I'm not even able to interrupt you. Right. Next one. I must
Yes,
be.
ma'am. This is my habit.
That is
I have to little bit cool down.
you have to relax a little bit so your sentences will be accurate. I must be know this thing. I must be know this thing. No. I I know this thing. I know this thing. You're telling me I know this thing. Or if it is past, you can say I knew this thing. But you have to say it in a sentence. Then many people against them. So you forgot to put where. Many people were against them. Then I think must we take it seriously. I think must we take it seriously. I think we must take it seriously. You interchanged everything. I think we must take it seriously. Last one,
Yes, ma'am.
some month before, some months back. Small errors, everything is careless mistake. If you can bring down the speed of your speech and focus, all the sentences will be correct. Will you try it next time?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, right.